How to fix Cash App, not letting me link a bank account. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App, not letting me link a bank account. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app just like you can see here. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. Here, there are various sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the screen here. Once you are here, make sure you tap on this option here named Support. The page will start loading. Make sure you wait for it. This is the support section of Cash App, as you can see here. On this page, there are various sections that can help you find solutions to issues you face on the app. From those issues, the one we need is this one here named Adding Money. Make sure you tap on it. This other page will appear where you will see more options that are related to adding money. From them, tap this one named Add Money. This page will then appear where you will see more options that are related to the issue you are facing today. Make sure you scroll down and come to this section of the page and then select the issue you are facing from the list of issues here. So go ahead and do that. Finally, you will land on this other page where Cash App is trying to explain to you how you can link your Cash App account to your bank. Ignore that and scroll to the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, make sure you have this option named Chat. Wait for the page to finish loading. This page will appear where you can type a feedback message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. Finally, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the problem. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App, not letting me link a bank account.